We provide a wide range of design services, and one of our specialties is full denture, design using advanced software. Our digital denture design process combines precision, comfort, and aesthetics through cutting-edge CAD/CAM technology, accurately replicating natural oral anatomy. We start by integrating digital impressions to create highly accurate virtual models. Our expert designers then craft dentures that not only fit perfectly, but also look natural and appealing. With 3D visualization and simulation, we ensure every detail meets the highest standards before production. Partnering with Digiart Design Services means choosing expertise, innovation, and quality. Join forces with us and experience the difference. Your satisfaction is our priority.